Yo, YouTube, welcome back to my channel. And today's video, you can obviously tell by the title and because you probably found it searching on YouTube, but I'm going to show you today, guys, how to get free Microsoft rewards points in 2024. This is a working glitch, guys. This is going to give you a redeemable code that you can enter in the platform on the Microsoft website, and it's going to supply you with 100,000 Microsoft points for completely free. This code is absolutely awesome, and it probably shouldn't provide you this many points. That's why I say it's probably a glitch. But I'm going to show you guys this method. I found it when I was searching the internet. So you do need to do this on your mobile phone, and that is very important, guys. So just make sure you have a mobile phone with an internet connection on hand, and you've got to head on over to this website, www.robotcoupons. Make sure you spell it correctly, guys. robotcoupons.com. So go to this website, guys. Make sure you spell it correctly, of course. This is a coupon code website, guys. They have tons of different pages on here. They allow you to get free games and coupon codes for tons of different things. So all you need to do, guys, once you reach this page is search for the Microsoft Rewards Points page. And you can get free Microsoft Rewards Points, 100,000. So click on that page and scroll down. Now these redeem codes, we're interested in the one at the top, which is a 100,000 free Microsoft Rewards Points code. And you can see, guys, these codes are limited. So don't come on Robot Coupons if you want to try and get millions of free points. You can only get one code per person, which is 100,000 points. So click on show code and you're going to see this pop up, guys. Like I said, these codes are limited in number, so you will need to unlock your personal Microsoft Rewards Points code. And you can see it is protected, and you tap unlock code. And you can see this is going to load up to 100%. Let me cancel this, guys. I don't want to waste a code for this tutorial, and I've already got mine. But you're going to see a screen once that finishes, and you're going to basically have to follow the instructions, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your code. If this is your first time visiting Robot Coupons, you will probably need to verify you're not a robot, which I know sounds funny, but that's completely normal, and it is completely free and super simple, guys. Just follow the instructions, complete 2 tasks, and once you've done that, your code will be revealed. It's very important you do follow the instructions for the verification. But yeah, that is the easiest method, guys. And once you have your code, you can redeem it on the Microsoft Rewards platform in the redeem code page, and it's going to supply you with 100,000 points. So go to Robot Coupons and search for the Microsoft Rewards Points page. Just follow the instructions and get your code. And that is how to get free Microsoft Rewards Points in 2024. Hope you found this video useful, guys. This glitch is working as of today's date. As long as you can find this page on Robot Coupons, that means it is continuing to work. So enjoy it whilst it lasts, and I'll see you next time, guys. Peace out.